that day. Nossa, ela veio no final. E uma peça e aí por favor, I will need to walk. Don't pass me by, Lord. Take me. This morning, my prayer is that when we leave here, that's not the time in the it's not the Lord. We may issue the see following Lord, following us. But Jesus only resurrects those who are dead. This morning, I'm going to invite you to stand. That's up to the right. We're going to sing this hymn. And as they're singing, I want you to lift us. Please, I invite you. I don't know where you are with the Lord. But make this a time of seeking the Lord. Please, Lord, do not pass me by. You don't have to be here, Lord. You're always here.
Oh,